Alright, to show the functional components of our device, I've gone ahead and turned out the lights so that this green LED at the top will be better seen in the video. I've also wired in the LED, it's just held on by a piece of tape here and wired in through the charging port. And it has replaced the vibrating motor in its output, mostly because of the wires I used and that I had available. They both wouldn't fit in the component. There's some bulky tips on the end of this. Here we can see that I've already turned on the device, and for the functional purposes, when you scoop like this, the light lights up, indicating that a scoop has been detected, but I've also programmed in a second scoop here for the time being, where you can scoop and it registers that. But you twirl the device, shake the device, do anything you want with it, the LED doesn't light up, and that's what we're going for. And it's not perfect. There's still a couple false positives that throw out there. If I toy around with it for a minute or two, I get it to happen. But our final rendition of this would use machine learning, and it'd be a lot easier to program all that data in. Now, this can be done as is. It just takes a lot of calibration, and according to the user, if somebody sat down with them, had them scoop roughly 1,000 times, looked over all the data, and could input all of the values into our code, it would work perfectly with whoever was wanting to use this. So again, just to show our functionality of it, you can scoop sideways, you can scoop forward, and I'm not left-handed, but it's programmed to also work with a left-handed individual. It's calibrated specifically to that individual, so I'll try and do that. There we go. Yeah. So it doesn't always work with me because I don't actually scoop the same pattern as our left-handed individual that we took, but there's the functional components. Again, no false positives there if we shake the device, so works pretty well. I'm pretty happy with it. We're all pretty happy with it in our group. Future improvements would just be that machine learning code to program that data for us and just to eliminate all those false positives.